how to set ringtone on your iPhone 14 Pro. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can set your ringtone on your iPhone 14 series device. First of all, we go into settings, click on sounds and haptics, go into ringtone, and now these up here are my custom ringtones, whatever. Here are the ringtones you have, that's like default ringtones. By clicking on anyone, and by clicking on any, you see a little preview of what it sounds like. So just find the one you like mostly and stick with it. That's it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful, and if you do, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.